Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export your design in CMYK color profile using Canva. This is especially useful when you're preparing files for professional printing, as most commercial printers require CMYK format to ensure your colors print accurately. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, go ahead and open Canva in your browser and navigate to the design you want to export. Once your design is open and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Share. Click on it to reveal a menu with various sharing and export options. From the menu that appears, look for and select the Download option. This will open up a new panel on your screen where you can customize how you want to export your file. This is where you'll configure all the settings to get your design in the correct format for printing. Now, in the File Type drop-down menu, click on it and select PDF from the list of available formats. PDF is the ideal format for print projects because it preserves all your design elements and allows for proper color profile settings. Make sure PDF is selected before moving on to the next step. Next, you'll need to adjust the preset settings. Look for the presets option and select Print. This preset automatically optimizes your file for professional printing by adjusting resolution and other technical settings that ensure your design looks sharp and accurate when printed on physical materials. Here's the most important part for getting your colors right. Find the Color Profile drop-down menu and click on it. From the options that appear, select CMYK. This color profile is specifically designed for print production and ensures that the colors you see on screen will translate accurately to printed materials. Unlike RGB, which is for digital screens, CMYK is the standard for professional printing. With all your settings configured correctly, go ahead and click the Download button. Canva will now process your design and prepare the file with the CMYK color profile you specified. This might take a few moments depending on the complexity of your design, so be patient while the system generates your print-ready PDF file. Once the download completes, locate the PDF file in your Downloads folder and open it to verify everything looks correct. Check that all your design elements are intact and the colors appear as expected. This final check ensures your file is ready to send to your printer. And that's it, you've successfully exported your Canva design in CMYK format, ready for professional printing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.